Hello everyone. This week we'll cover the surface modeling tool. So what's the difference between solid modeling and surface modeling? Solid modeling is for representing solid objects. When an engineer is designing, uh, let's say a car or a product, they would like to design all the details of it. And once they're done, they can do is engineering analysis, let's say some simulations of how the heat transfer is going on, and let's say how the forces are working. So basically that will work in a digital setup, a prototype of the work that can be used for not only analysis, graphics, animation, but also to do some 3D printing. And it uses some mathematical principles to create these 3D solid objects. You can certainly use solid models which will intersect, join, subtract, and so on and so forth. While on the other hand, surface modeling focuses more on the external aspect of an object. So basically only the surface that we'll be focusing on. Let's say in an environment we want to design the outer surface of a product. Surface modeling is the thing for you. You don't have to think about all the nitty-gritty details of those objects because you're not building the whole entire interior of those objects. Rather, you will be utilizing the surface curvatures, surface design, and that will be a rapid prototype. Of course, you need to transfer that surface into a thin model, because surfaces doesn't have any thickness. If you want to 3D print it, just the surface itself as a part of the prototype. Okay, and in general, if we're working with solid modeling and building the prototype, it is a complex process because you have to look into all the nitty-gritty details of it. But other than that, surface modeling on the other hand is much easier to do, and you can create complex designs and shapes with it. A good example of this will be these two images, where on the right side we have the surface design tool has been used to create the body of a car, where on the solid design you created all the parts, how they will fit within that model, and where each part will go. From the next video, we will start looking into all the tools that we'll be using on Solidworks to create different portions of the surface. And on the live session, we will go through one complete example.